look, like, on night he told me, leave it, fuck them. You know the setting, but fuck with that. I don't like people mention my name, niggas talking my name. I feel like niggas are coming out my head, bro. Like the voices start talking to me, it's starting to get louder, fam. Niggas don't mention my name, fam. Like, we just said some record straight, like, real quick to me, yeah, look. Hits I had to bowl this beat in it. Look, listen to this. Feed me! All I hear, Steelers this, that. Steelers with man. Wait, Steelers with ops, wait. Steelers with who now? On the hardest, I told you, I don't care about these niggas. And on war, I showed you, these niggas can't warn me. I'm in jail with some top use, in jail with the business. I see Manor House and Enfield, I go dream with a lane use and trips. Just told me, at home to you my land. But he said, they ain't gon' beef with me, so I don't give a fuck. These niggas wanna pay me homage, can't put north on the map. They salute me and call me big bro. They love the way I'm tapped, and this UK blogs love me. They compare me all the time. Again, I've gone viral. They can't get enough. When I was 13, they used to compare me with Blue. I was teenage, but Blue was 25 plus. Now there's young ones, they compare me, but I'm still number one. I stay close with the real ones. Straps is a lifer, Flash is a lifer, Bullies and Butler. I'm still beside, man. 30 O's and 9, I'm just saying, Nigel hates I win. Wolfie's beside, man, yeah, there's 20 more behind, man. How the fuck you gonna beef, man? This whole job's hours, don't ever try and get it fucked up. I'm good at finding people, car, that's how I get my money up. This internet gangsters chatting shit, I won't stand for that. It's knocking on your door, your camera showing the delivery, man. It's pesky with a 44, excited to light you up. Now he told me calm down, I told my nigga fuck that big A said the Knicks, I told him fuck with that, that's green light. The voice is getting louder, they're telling me to murder. Like, look, listen, short niggas, yeah, don't fuck with me, fam, yeah, I'm a different type of fucking kettle of fish, yeah, the murder season, bro, you know, yeah, you fuck with these fucking ops, I don't give a fuck about none of it, bro, yeah, this SKS, I'm still a kill squad, bro, that's my set, my team, my gang, you know the saying, yeah, that's what I mean in every fucking area, bro, you crazy, fam, yeah, north, south, east, west, bro, I got youngers and niggas in every fucking borough, how about that, yeah. You crazy, fam. It's gang, nigga. I got niggas in Manchester and Birmingham. You crazy, fam. It's gang shit, bro. Who this, bro? You mad? Yeah? Don't fucking ask me about the green, this green, that, bro. I'm wood green, bro. Simple as. I don't give a fuck about these niggas. Niggas step out the line, bro. You know what happens, bro? Take my fucking life. I don't give a fuck where I am, where. Bro, listen. I'm different, bro. Yeah? I'm bossy. Simple, bro. I do what the fuck I want. When the fuck I want, say what the fuck I want. Yeah? Anyone got a fucking problem, fam? You know my set already. My team kill people. Gang.